Listen, every single day, thousands of creators upload YouTube Shorts, hoping for that one viral moment, but what if I told you there's a niche blowing up right now that almost guarantees insane views? I'm talking millions, not thousands. A channel in this niche has only 179 videos, but they already pulled 1.6 million subscribers and multiple videos with 10 million plus views. And here's the crazy part. The video they posted 17 hours ago already crossed 1.9 million views. This is not luck. This is a viral niche anyone can enter. And today I, Chase Brooks, will show you exactly how to create this style of video in 2 easy methods so you can copy the trend and blow up your channel right now. Let's dive in. What's up, creators? Welcome back to Chase Profit. Today I'm revealing the exact steps to create viral Roblox Rant shorts, the same niche dominating YouTube right now. It's simple, it's fun, and the best part, you can do everything on your laptop even if you've never made a video before. I'll show you 2 methods, one where you create everything manually, and another where AI does 90% of the work for you. So you can choose what works best for your style. Let's jump straight into method 1. Step 1. Generate viral ideas using ChatGPT. First, open ChatGPT. Click on Explore, and in the search bar, type Rant Generator. This tool is trained using hundreds of viral Roblox Rant videos, so the ideas you get are highly optimized for Shorts virality. Click Start Chat, then use the first prompt. Give me 10 relatable rant video ideas. ChatGPT will generate 10 insanely relatable topics like, the biggest scam Gen Z fell for is do what you love for work. You're not burnt out, you're underpaid, overworked, and lied to. Most of your friends aren't actually your friends, they just tolerate your existence. Choose the one that hits you the most. For example, I'm choosing, most of your friends aren't actually your friends, they just tolerate your existence. Type the number of the idea and press enter. ChatGPT will generate a complete, funny, emotional, engaging script for your video. This script alone gives you a massive advantage because relatability equals retention equals virality. Step 2. Generate your voiceover using Google AI Studio. Copy the entire script, go to Google AI Studio Single Speaker Audio. Choose a voice. I recommend a young, clear American male voice because this tone performs best in Roblox Rant content. Paste your script, click run, wait for processing, download the voiceover. The best part, this tool is completely free. Step 3. Download Roblox gameplay clips. You can use any Roblox parkour, obby, or running clips, but make sure of this rule. Don't use the same clip more than 3 times. This keeps your content fresh so YouTube doesn't classify you as reused content. You can record your own gameplay or use available clips, your choice. Step 4. Edit the video inside CapCut. Import your voiceover plus gameplay clip. First, fix the voiceover. Drag the voiceover to the timeline. Remove unnecessary pauses. Right-click, create compound clip. Go to voice changer, choose mic hog. Go to speed, set to 1.18 times. Go to audio pitch, apply cartoonish pitch. This gives the signature Roblox Rant voice everyone loves.
If you stop texting first, half your friendships would vanish.
Match gameplay speed. Speed up gameplay slightly so it stays engaging. Auto captions. Click captions, auto generate, language, English. Perfect captions equals higher retention. Add memes. Go to Pinterest. Download relatable memes. Add them at key moments. Add background music. Search piano in CapCut Audio. Drag it in and reduce the volume so it doesn't overpower the voice. Your video is now ready for upload. Method 2. Automate everything with VSub. If you want a much faster method where AI builds almost the whole video for you, use VSub. Step 1. Log in. Create an account. Go to Dashboard. Scroll to create videos. Click Roblox Rant video. Step 2. Import your script. Paste the script ChatGPT generated earlier, click import. For voiceover, choose Adam, one of the most viral voices in Roblox Rant content. Step 3, AI generates the video automatically. VSub builds gameplay, captions, emojis, voiceover, timing, structure, all in seconds. Step 4, customize, click voice changer, add low pitch or normal pitch for variety. Go to captions, style, choose colors and fonts that match your brand. Add sound effects, memes, emojis, short boosts for hook lines. If you want to upload your own gameplay, click Upload Video. Step 5. Download the final video. Click Export, 30 frames per second, download, boom. You've created a viral style Roblox Rant video in minutes, and that, creators, is exactly how you can jump into the fastest growing YouTube Shorts niche right now. Whether you use method 1 or let AI handle it with method 2, the opportunity is insane. I'm Chase Brooks from Chase Profit, helping you grow smarter, faster, and with tools that actually work. If you want the VSub link, check the pinned comment. See you in the next one. Peace.